Hello friends, today we will learn how to define a variable in Python. For example, I have defined a variable and assigned a value to it. It's 122. So number is a variable. We can also a string to a variable. We can define a variable using underscore like underscore name, and we can assign it to value. But we cannot use any special character like dollar, percentage, at the rate, etc. at the starting of the variable name. For example, if I write $test, then it is the wrong way. It gives me a syntax error. Okay. Or suppose if I use a name, it's one name to test. This is also wrong because I in Python I cannot use any digit at the starting of the variable name. So it is also wrong. But yes, I can use a digit number at the middle of the variable or at the end of the variable. This is the correct way. So it is very simple to define a variable in Python. I hope you like our videos. Please subscribe our channel or share our videos. We will continue working on our Python tutorial, and yes, we will also show you more and more tutorials for Python. It will help you to learning.